फोक्स, बिजनेस पढ़ रहे हैं तो ये वाली वीडियो देखना बिल्कुल मत भूलें। आज हम बिजनेस 12th का एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक एक बहुत ही फन वे में iPrep की एनिमेशन यूज करके ला रहे हैं और बिना तुम्हारा टाइम वेस्ट करे मैं तुम्हें सीधा ले चलती हूं वहीं पर।
Dimensions of business environment. Dimensions of business environment. Business environment is constituted by different factors and includes economic, social, technological, political, and legal conditions. These factors are considered relevant for decision-making and improving the performance of an enterprise. Economic environment. There are different factors like interest rates, inflation rates, changes in disposable income of people, stock market indices, and the value of rupee are involved in economic factors that can affect management practices in a business enterprise. Social environment. Social environment of business include different social forces like customs and traditions, social values, trends, customers' expectations from business, etc. For example, the festivals like Diwali, Eid, Christmas, etc. in India provides significant financial opportunities for greetings card companies, sweets, traditional wares, etc. Technological environment. Technology is always keeps on changing and innovations can take place at any time. Innovations provide new ways of producing goods and services and new methods and techniques of operating a business. For example, recent technological advances in computers and electronics have modified the ways in which companies advertise their products. Political environment. Political environment includes political conditions such as general stability and peace in the country and specific attitudes that elected government representatives hold towards business. Legal environment. Legal environment is constituted by various legislations passed by the government, administrative orders issued by government authorities, court judgments and decisions made by various appointed agencies and authorities. Legal environment can have a direct impact on the business as it is directed by the government and other regulatory organizations.
कमाल हो गया। जिस बिजनेस की किताब को पढ़ते हुए नींद आती है उसी बिजनेस का फंडा बिना किताब पढ़े एनिमेटेड वीडियोस के थ्रू 2-3 मिनट में समझ में आ गया। यही तो फायदा है iPrep की एनिमेशन वीडियोस का। तो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? नीचे जो लिंक दे रखा है iPrep सुपर ऐप के डाउनलोड का, उसे यूटिलाइज करो। वहां जाके एनिमेटेड वीडियोस तो मिलेंगी ही, डिटेल वीडियोस भी मिलेंगी और भी जो उस ऐप के फायदे हैं उसको जाके एक्सप्लोर करो। ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट टिल दैट टाइम, बाय बाय।